Punong Jurado, Sir Ogie Alcacid, ano po masasabi niyo?
Ito po ang sasabihin ko. Pareho kayong mahusay talaga. No? Wala akong masabi sa inyong dalawa. Alam mo, ikaw, Lucky, dinala mo yung golden sa ibang stratosphere. No? I love that it was technically difficult. I love that you're daring. But I would have to agree with Sir Ding Dong. Just a little cleanup, and you're right there. But palakpakan natin si Lucky, you know, for... Nakikita ko yung mukha ng Mark nung nilabas ka. Sabi, maglalabas ako ng Kraken, parang ganon. And totoo naman, talagang isang matinding Kraken ang nilabas niya. Ikaw naman, Anthony.
Yes po, ay po.
Simulat sa pool, I've already loved your voice. You are an incredible singer.
Maraming salamat po.
At nung si Bito naman naglabas siya ng isang mandirigma na parang si Achilles. But unlike Achilles, I didn't think you had a weakness. You were just incredible. You sang from the gut. The tone was excellent. Para kang hating Rico Blanco na may pagka-bamboo. Wow. Diba? Na may pagka-Ogie Alcacid ang height. Yun lang yung nakuha mo kay Ogie. Nevertheless, excellent. Congrats.
Thank you so much po.